We now have the Protocol 3 networked into a USB port on this computer. Now we need to verify the controller is communicating with the Protocol Manager software and that the communication settings are set properly. To do this, we go into the Setup window under the Window menu. You can see that this is grayed out and that this is because we have not logged in yet. So we'll log in using a username admin and the default password dispatch. Now we can get into the setup screen. We already determined that our Protocol Manager network is plugged into the COM7 port on this computer. We should use the default baud rate of 19.2K. We should use the default parity option, none, and we should check the use long timeout delay box. Next, we set the network settings. We have the Protocol 3 online already, but we can review the settings. Highlight the Protocol 3 number 1, then click the Edit button. The controller setup window pops up. Now we can edit the network setting for that controller. We can enter the name of the device, but we'll leave it at Protocol 3 number 1. Up to 32 devices can be networked on one Protocol Manager. Since this is the only controller online, we will give it address number 1. Protocol 3 or the earlier version Protocol Plus can be networked together on the Protocol Manager network. Finally, we enable communication and the device is online on our network. Now our oven status screen pops up, but we'll get to that later. We can set up additional controllers in our network, even if they are not physically hooked up to our network yet. Highlight the next open row on the network window, then click Insert. Enter name, address, controller type, and enable communications. So now we have Protocol 3 number 2 set up. And if we go into the settings, we have not enabled communication. So we see this is disabled in the status. Protocol number 4, since we do not have a device on the network, that is showing as offline. The Windows screen allows you to see what is displayed on the Protocol Manager screen. Nearly everything is displayed as a default setting, but you can customize to your liking. You can also select alarm sounds for your limit alarm, soak deviation alarm, and cycle complete alarm from this screen. We'll test the alarm sounds now. High limit, sound number 4. We'll change that to sound number 5. Soak deviation, sound number 3. We'll change that to sound number 2. The cycle complete is currently set to no sound. We can test sound number 1 and reset that back to no sound at all. And now passwords. The password window allows you to limit operator activity based on 4 levels of password security. Level 4 allows full access to all features and settings on the Protocol Manager software and has default password setting dispatch. Level 1 allows only start, stop, and hold operations. As a default, Level 1 operation is not password protected. Level 2 and 3 offer intermediate permissions to the Protocol Manager function. Passwords should be set and distributed to users to meet your company's requirements. You can log in under level 2 or level 3 security to show the differences in access. Username is not controlled. We'll log in as Roger under level 3. The ID screen was red under level 4 access. Now it is green. And when we look under our window, we see that we have full access except to the setup screen. Now we'll log in under level 2. Our user ID screen goes to blue, and we can see that we only have access to the Windows summary screen.